from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got another case from Honcho Wholesale, and it's not just a sample case. It's actually a full-size case with 25 items in it. So we're going to check it out and see what's inside.
Just remember, the best way to get their deals and notifications is to sign up for Honcho Wholesale's mailing list.
All right, so this particular case is from Honcho Wholesale. Used to be known as Smash Lots, but they've rebranded as Honcho Wholesale. It's women's plus size fall and winter clothing, which is perfect for right now. I'm super excited about listing these things. It was on sale for $159.37. It'll have total of 25 items in it. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Let's see what we got. We're gonna keep our box cutter very shallow so I don't basically cut through the clothing. Now I have done really well on Honcho Wholesale items. They're usually a little bit higher end than like the big box Walmart, Target stores. And so I'm excited about selling these, and generally most of them have tags on them and they're totally brand new. So
tell them what happened to your last box.
Oh yeah, the last box that I opened, just FYI, one of you viewers were like, oh, I want this and this and this and this and this. So before I even listed anything, I basically sold almost, I think, everything except for about 5 items from the last box to one viewer. So if you want this stuff, you need to snatch it up fast because it's going to sell, I promise. So this is all plus size clothing. I will give you sizes. So if you would like the item, you can email me and I will just shoot you an invoice from hookedonpickin.com and you can have it. All right. So this is a Style and Company. It is a size petite medium. And it's a really cute pink t-shirt, petite medium. And this of course is perfect for the winter time. You know, you want this long sleeve shirt with tons of reindeer on it, a little embellishment. Original retail price is $30. This is a Karen Scott 1X. 1X. Then we have a Style and Company plus size cardigan. It's got white speckled kind of details on it. I love these sleeves. Look at these sleeves. They're kind of a bell sleeve, little ruffled bell sleeve on it. Very casual, not casual, but kind of dressy. 2X is the size for this cute cardigan. And it looks like it's a really nice tunic length. It does have some gathering down here at the waistline to give you a flattering shape. Here is another white top. The back is really good too. Calvin Klein. Let's lay that out. That is original retail price of $90. It's a 2X Calvin Klein top. Really cute embellished sleeves on there. Then we have a workout top. It's a Champion 2X large black Razorback workout top. And I love the tunic length on this. So it's going to be a longer one. Cover your bum so you're not showing it off while you're working out. Of course, you might want to show it off. And in that case, go for it. All right. Here is a cute Christmas time Karen Scott 3X plus size original retail price of $54.50. 3X cute reindeer. Here is a Ralph Lauren size 20W pair. It looks like of crop pants. White. $99.50 is the original retail price on this. Isn't there a rule that you're not supposed to wear white after Labor Day? But you can wear white right now. I don't think there's rules anymore.
Could blend into the snow.
Blend into the snow.
They'll never see you coming.
Never see you coming. I don't think there are rules. People wear mismatched socks. There's no rules for fashion anymore. All right, here's a really cute black top. It's got some floral. This is a 3X Style and Company. Just plain black on the back, but really cute embroidered white flowers. It's very, very soft. Very soft. It's definitely comfy. Here is a really cute, ooh, this is cute. Now this says extra small. A really cute striped dress. I don't know how this could be an extra small. Let me check and make sure. Okay, this says extra small, but it says 14. That looks a little bit more like what my thought process is. So I don't know if it's extra small and plus sizes, but it's a 14. So I'm like, this looks like it fit me. So a size 14 extra small dress with spaghetti straps, really cute. This one is an extra large Style & Company, original retail price of $50 on this. It's kind of a sheer, so you definitely need a tank top under it or a cami, and so that's really cute. Look at the fun sleeves on this one. I love these. They've got little embroidered kind of details on them. Then we've got a Calvin Klein 18W jacket with a leather collar on it. Really, really cute. Yeah. Then we have a 1X Karen Scott 3/4 length. And it's kind of a bronze embellishment on there, bronzish, goldish embellishment on there, 3/4 length sleeves. Very soft again, Karen Scott. Navy blue. I never know how the lighting is when you're watching the videos, so I try to give you as much detail as possible. Here is a Lucky Brand original retail of $50, size 3X. Kind of a nice long sleeve shirt. This one is a cotton, cute cotton one with some cute embroidery detail there. Then we have a Style & Company. This is a cowl neck neckline on it. Tunic length black sweater. Its size is 2X. Original retail of $45. Cute cowl neck there. It's a very lightweight sweater too. So if you're someone who gets hot, that'd be perfect. Here's a Charter Club 2X $70 original retail sweater. This one's a little bit of a heavier duty. This one's going to keep you warm, not too warm though. 2X Calvin Klein. And it's a black and white with a little bit of silver flecked embellishment on there. Then we have a Alfani large, extra large. Cute. It's a cardigan, but look at the sleeves on this. They're really fun. It's got kind of big, fun sleeves on it. And the back has like a embellished lace down there at the bottom, and then the sleeves are kind of a fun sleeve on it. So, and that one is a large, extra large cardigan, kind of. Now the sweater. Okay, here's a Style & Company sheer 0X, which would be equivalent to about a 1X, I believe, in plus sizes. It's got green and white and kind of a little bit of purple floral color to it. Original retail is $60 on that one. Here is a cute cardigan. Yellow is not my color. I can usually never wear yellow. This is a size large Alfani, but this mustard yellow, usually a lot of people can get away with. More power to you if you are a yellow fan. I just don't put it in my wardrobe, but I know my son's favorite color. He likes lots of, like the bright neon yellow. Here's a Calvin Klein 0X, which would be, I think, about an extra large size red and gold embellishment on that. Then I've got a 3X Alfani. Kind of looks like it has moons on it, doesn't it? Some floral with moons. It's got a back zipper on it. Really nice and comfy. V-neck with some fun sleeves on it. Looks like about 3/4 length sleeves. Really, really lightweight, that one is. Here is a dress. This one is it says dress Jackie O. It's a Jackie O dress, so it's definitely in the Jackie O style. This one says extra small, and I guess it's the exact same. It's an extra small 14. So it's got definitely that A-line pleated look. It does have my favorite thing on dresses lately, pockets. So, and it's kind of a black lace look with an underskirt. So you would not have to wear a slip with it because it's completely lined underneath. That one's super cute. What's the original on that one? It's a City Chic. I don't have the original price on that, but all right. Here is embroidered. It has a string here. It's not from that. I think it came off of something else or just from the store. 3X Karen Scott sweater, really lightweight, 3/4 sleeve, gray with some purple flowers. Original retail price is $50 on that one. 3X. Style & Company, size large, really, really cute. It's a high-low hem on the front, so it's higher on the front as it is in the back. It's got a little bit of a tunic length though, and it looks like it's got a built-in second layer on the front. So it's real thin, see-through on the back, built-in front. It's double layered on the front, so you can't see through the front part. So the original retail price on that is $54. All right, then we've got a Style & Company. This one is a fun green, kind of very casual tunic dress, 3X Style & Company green. This would be cute with leggings, and it's got looks like that on the back. So this would be a fun casual, but dress it up with some leggings style. And then the last thing in the box is a 20W International Concepts pair of kind of really light khaki colored dress pants with a front zipper. Wait, that's the back. Sorry, that's the back. Here's the front with the cute front pockets just like that. So size 20W wide leg International Concepts pair of pants. So that are the 25 items in a Honcho Wholesale case. Women's plus size fall and winter. Definitely can see that. Some really cute items. I love that Jackie O dress. It's adorable. On sale for $159.37. Could you make money on this? I'd like to know. And if you're interested in any of these items, contact me at hookedonpickin.com. 25 separate items. I think they're going to be great sellers. So contact me right away. We'll get them sold to you. If not, they'll be listed on my Poshmark store. Hopefully it's been helpful to see what you get in a Honcho Wholesale case of 25 items. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.